Hi kids, welcome back. Today we're doing lesson number 18, السيرك, which means the circus. So when we look at this, السيرك, which means circus, so the jester is saying سأمشي على الحبل, I'm going to walk on the rope. هذا كلب يقفز في النار. This is the dog which is jumping in the fire. هذا قرد يركب الدراجة. And this is the monkey which is riding the cycle. When we look over here, the boy is telling to this girl, انظري إلى البنت. So look at this girl, look at the girl. So she is telling, هي تقف على الحصان. She is standing on the horse. And over here you have the last conversation. انظر النمر يقف فوق الكرة الكبير. So she is saying, look, the tiger is standing above the big ball. And the boy is telling, هو يمشي بالكرة. So it is walking with the ball, or walking by the ball. So now let's look at the sentences below the picture. The first one is يجلس الأطفال في الخيمة الكبيرة. So the children are sitting in the big tent. خيمة is tent. The second one, يمشي المهرج على الحبل. So the jester is walking on the rope. The third one, يقفز الكلب في النار. So the dog, كلب means dog. The dog is jumping in the fire. The fourth one, يركب القرد الدراجة. So the قرد means monkey. The monkey is riding the cycle. يمشي النمر بالكرة الكبيرة. So the tiger is walking on the big ball. The sixth sentence, تقف البنت على الحصان. The girl is standing on the horse. The last one, يضحك الأطفال من المهرج. So يضحك means to laugh. So the children are laughing because of the jester. The next page we have some vocabulary. The first picture is a circ, which means circus. Circ, circus. مهرج, مهرج, jester. نمر, نمر, tiger. دراجة, دراجة, cycle. نار, نار, last one, fire. كلب, dog, كلب, dog. Now we're going to learn انظر and انظري, look. So to the girl we say انظري, and to the boy we say انظر. The first picture, انظر إلى الكلب, look at the dog. هو يقفز في النار, it is jumping on the fire. انظر إلى البنت, look at the girl, it is انظري إلى المهرج, look at the jester. هو يمشي على الحبل, it is walking on the rope. The next picture, انظر إلى القرد, look at the monkey. هو يجلس على صندوق, it is sitting on the box. Next picture, talking to the boy again. انظر إلى البطة, look at the duck. هي تسبح في الماء, it is swimming in the water. The next picture, to the girl. انظري إلى الثعبان, look at the snake. هو يزحف على الأرض, it is crawling on the ground. Now in this page we have some vocabulary which has the alphabet dal in it. So oud means mandolin, and it has a dal at the end. And jidar has the dal in the middle of this word. And dubbun has dal in the beginning. The noon words, finjan has a noon in the end, and sunduk has noon in the middle, and namir is a tiger, but they have put a wrong picture. It is actually tiger, and the here noon is in the beginning. Kaf, shubak is window, kaf is at the end. Kaka, kaf is in the beginning and the middle, and kelb means dog, kaf is in the beginning. Now we are going to learn ماذا ستفعل and ماذا ستفعلين, which is what are you going to do So we're going to learn ماذا ستفعل. The first picture, what are you going to do? سأمشي على الحبل. I'm going to walk on the rope. Next picture, ماذا ستفعلين? What are you going to do? Because she's a girl, ستفعلين. سأعزف على العود. I am going to play on the mandolin. Next picture, ماذا ستفعل? What are you doing? What are you going to do? سأصعد على السلم. I'm going to climb the ladder. ماذا ستفعلين? What are you going to do? سأجلس على الكرسي. I am going to sit on the chair. ماذا ستفعل? What are you going to do? سأصعد على الأرض. سأزحف على الأرض. I am going to crawl on the ground. ماذا ستفعلين؟ سأرسم على السبورة. I am going to write on the board. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more such videos.